They have incorporated it every way of their life, starting from their dialogue, commuting with the spirits, the gods, to the form of physical therapy. Naming the African art form as rich is just a name game. Their history treads back to 500 BC, in the womb of nature and populous African country, Nigeria. As an art form, the ancient African sculptures were the first to be unearthed from the economic powerhouse of the continent. Along with these African masks and figures, many potteries were used in various religious ceremonies. Wood constitutes the main material for their art, which later flaunted with clay, feathers, ivory, metals, shells, etc. Though the entire continent is inclined to the making of African art sculptures, the western and central part of Africa take away the credit of the indigenous art. There are various forms of the cultural art, as the history is a proof that it is a contribution of various tribes, but the abstract carving on wood takes away the prize. The Nigerian people are well known for the human statues made of terracotta, whereas the Cameroon grasslands call for the bold wood carvings, as masks and decorative textiles. The explosion of the tradition, especially the African art sculptures, onto the international platform goes back to the 19th century. The souls of the hunters, chiefs especially, are expressed in an abstract